Why to join Indian Army? Perks of Army life. If you're thinking to join Indian Army, then you probably have your own reasons to do so. Some join because the facilities provided in Indian Army are good, while some join it because of the salary reasons. And there are some who join the army because they are passionate about it and want to serve their country through it. Now, you should know how to join Indian Army. If you are passionate about it and want to join Indian Army because of some facilities, you have to follow Defense Academy India. Whatever be the reason, the main thing is that you want to join and that is it. The upcoming lists are some of the advantages that Army offers to its soldiers. Maybe this will help you to know Army better. First, job security. Name one private sector job that gives you the job security for the lifetime until you retire. No wonder your mind will go blank as there is no such job in private that offers job security. One day you are enjoying great success in the private sector and the other day you are struggling to save your job. Such is the tendency of private sector jobs. But if you are an army man, then job security is something that you will never have to worry about. Though you have to retire at some point, but till then you will be assured with a job security. Next is salary benefits. Though many things have changed in the Indian Army within last 2 decades, but the salary of army personnel has evolved significantly after 6th pay commission. The GD recruit can get a salary ranging between 15,000 to 45,000 rupees approximately. Other than this, there are many other benefits in army. After retirement benefits. This is one of the main factors why the army is considered as the best career choice. First of all, there is no such thing as post retirement in the private sector. You will be totally dependent on your savings and other assets if you decide to finally call it a day. Here in army it is the opposite. Next, scope of higher studies. You can pursue your academic studies even after joining Indian Army. You can always apply for the higher studies if you are a soldier and wish to be promoted as officer's rank. And for officers who are in the technical department and want to go for post graduation, then you can do so. As reputed IIT, Indian Institute of Technology colleges has reserved seats for such officers. The major facilities in Indian Army. Facilities in Indian Army are just mind blowing. Everything from accommodation to medical facilities, your family will enjoy it all and that too free of cost. Here is a short description about some of the facilities. First, accommodation facilities. These are the basic things that you will look for searching in a locality to reside. A clean environment, a good neighborhood, security, etc. Army cantonment areas provide all that is required to make living better. Security. The cantonment board is surrounded by walls and fencing so that no unsocial element could enter in it. Security guards are always on their toes for any kind of situation. The medical facilities are amazing. According to a survey done in 2014, people are spending more money on medications and treatments than ever before. Having free medical facilities provided is an extra benefit of saving money. One of the major facilities provided by army is canteen facility. Inflation in the ultimate cause of financial crisis for every family. The canteen facility of the army is a canopy to all army families. Economical price. The stuff you buy from the army canteen is way less costly, which ultimately leads to better affordability. That is, people can invest more in luxury items than just stick to being the basic needs. Educational facilities. Education is the most important part of society, and army understands it well. That is why it provides special facilities to the students who are kids of army personnel. Army schools, the large network of army schools all around the country is built so that the kids of these days could get the best education. Scholarship for students. For the students who are bright in studies, to them, Army offers a scholarship. So, these are some of the main reasons to join Indian Army. And I'm sure you have made your mind by now. Our first pre-selection training will commence at Defence Academy India, Tuticorin branch on 15th April 2021. Only 30 vacancies offered. So visit our website and register today. We offer coaching for aspirants to join as officers and soldiers. Contact us today to join the Indian Army. Support us by liking this video, and by subscribing, you will be able to get more amazing videos. Turn on post notification by clicking the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Share as much as possible to serve the nation effectively. Thank you.